Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Children, today we are going to learn a new topic and the name of the topic is time, a clock. Okay, so everybody has seen a clock at your house and everybody is aware about what is a clock. So today I am going to explain you what is a clock and what are the things that you see in a clock. Okay, so first of all children, a clock, what does a clock do? A clock shows us the time. Okay, we get to know what time of the day it is with the help of a clock. So for your convenience, I have brought a clock for you. Okay, so now we are going to see the image of a clock. So this is a clock in front of you children. So this is a clock and you can see that there is one long hand and one short hand. So what are these long and the short hand? So long and the short hand, see the long hand means minutes and the short hand means hour. This is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. Okay, like I have written in the whiteboard also children, we have two hands in a clock. Okay, one is a long hand and the other, this is the long hand and this is the short hand. At this point children, it is 4 o'clock that is going on. When I am making this video, it is 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock, how do I get to know it is 4 o'clock? Because the short hand, that is the small one, is indicating towards the 4 o'clock, towards this 4. Okay, so this means that it is 4 o'clock. And how do I get to know what time of it is? 4 o'clock, because this is the short hand. This short hand denotes your hour and this shows the minutes. It is 4 o'clock and the long hand is at 12. That means it is just 4 o'clock minutes, and this keeps on moving fast children. The minute hands move fast, whereas the hour hand, this is the one which shows us the hour, will move very slowly. Okay, but the minute hand, as you can see, that it is moving very fast, whereas the smaller one is not moving, it is just indicating towards 4 o'clock, but this one, the long one, is moving fast. Okay, so this is a clock that you are going to learn. This shows us the time. For example, right now it is 4 o'clock. Well, how do I get to know 4 o'clock? Because the clock has two hands. One is the long one and one is the shorter one. The long one shows us the minutes and the shorter one shows us the hours. Remember this thing children, and we see that this long one moves very fast and the short one moves slowly. So we have the two hands with in a clock, the long one and the short one. Remember this thing that children, there are 24 hours in a day. So how many hours there are there in a day? There are 24 hours. Like for example, we are moving from 12. This is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are not 12 hours children. This is not 12 hours, because after 12 o'clock we have another day that is coming. For example, if right now it is 4 o'clock, then when it will be, this is 4 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so when I am going to move 1 hour, that will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12 o'clock, we will have the next day. 12, right now it is 4 p.m. p.m. means it is just your evening time. During the morning is finished, this is evening time. So we say 4 p.m. But after 12 o'clock, it will be a.m. There will be next day. So similarly, we will see that we will say that there are 24 hours in a day. Now see, I had started this video at dot 4 o'clock. Now it is 4 and the hand is on the other side. This is towards the one side. That means it is 4 hours and 5 minutes have passed. So similarly children, when the longer hand will move, this longer hand shows us the minutes hand. So now when this longer hand will come to 2, that will be 4:10. That means 4 hours 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed. Okay. Similarly, when it is moving from 2 to 3, that means it is 4:15. When it will come to 4:4, then it will be 4:20. Then 4:25, then 4:30, then 4:35, then 4:40, then 4:45, then 4:50, then 4:55, and when it will reach over here, then it will be 5 o'clock. It will have completed the whole cycle of 60 minutes. Okay, that I am going to explain you later on. That was just a briefing that I gave you, but just remember that there are two hands in a clock, the longer one and the shorter one. The longer one shows the minutes hand, this is the minutes hand, and the shorter one shows you the hour hand. Okay, so remember that there are 24 hours in a day and 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. See, I will explain you how it is 60 minutes, children. So after 4 we have, when it reaches 1 it means 5 minutes have passed. When it reaches 2 that means 10 minutes have passed. When it reaches 3 that means 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 25, 30. The table of 5 is going on, children. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and then we have 60. Plus 5, everybody, when it reaches 12, that means the whole 60 minutes have passed. And 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes, children. So that's all for today, and you are going to write some notes about the clock in the class. Thank you.